To install the PS5 Stand in horizontal mode, first locate the series of shape at the back. Then take the stand and make sure it is oriented that way. Not like this, like that. Then align each end of the stand with the shape and press. That's all. The support is held in place only by pressure. And there you go. You can now place your PlayStation horizontally.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Now, if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I read absolutely everything and I'll maybe even make a video just for you. Finally, that video was free, so yes, I accept donation. Thank you very much in advance. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!